Come here, little girl. Come here. Come here.
Here, put these noise blockers on immediately. Let's get out of here. Honey, listen. If someone's whispering, you need to run the other way immediately. Whispering is only used to kill people. Got it?
快手，拥抱每
Brianna.
一种生活。
You look so beautiful.
You look so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful, so...
Hey, bestie. There's something going on with Jake. He was whispering earlier. He tried to kill me.
What? Brianna, for your own safety, I wouldn't mention this again. Come and see me after class.
What did you need to see me for, Miss Applewood?
You're not supposed to mention things people don't want to hear about. Don't mention. Brianna. Brianna.
Stop! Who's whispering?
No one's whispering.
Brianna.
I think she's infected with whispers. Here's your soulmate candy cane. No, don't eat it. You need it to find your soulmate. Only your soulmate's candy cane will match with yours, making a heart. But every year, you'll only be given the candy cane for the month of December.
So I only get 1 month to find my soulmate every year?
Yes, so you better get looking.
Hi, Bri.
Timmy, let me see your candy cane. Let's see if we're soulmates.
Does it match?
No, too big.
You broke my candy cane.
It's finally the month of December. It's time to look for our soulmates.
This year's going to be the year I find my soulmate. I just know it. Jake, let me see your candy cane.
Is it a match?
It's too small.
Size doesn't matter.
In this case, it does. What? It's December 31st already, and I still haven't found anyone that matches my candy cane.
Hey, Bri, I'm having a New Year's party. Everyone's invited. Want to come through?
New Year's party. That's a perfect place to meet your soulmate.
Here's a drink. Time to party.
No time for chit-chat. I need to find who matches my candy cane. Kevin, can I see your candy cane? Let's see if we're soulmates.
I ate mine by mistake. Brianna, do you want a drink?
Let me see your candy cane. I'm gonna have to pass on that drink.
Can you at least try to enjoy the party?
I've tried everyone here. No one matches my candy cane.
Attention, everyone. The new year is in 1 minute.
It's almost January 1st. That means I haven't found my soulmate this year again.
You've made this entire night about you and finding your soulmate. You completely wasted my New Year's Eve.
You're right. I'm sorry.
So you never found your soulmate?
Nope, I never did. But I realized there's more to life than finding your soulmate.
Are you telling stories again?
My best friend never found her soulmate either.
Yep, I still have my candy cane.
It's always been you.
Hey, how many years did I get?
You got infinity.
Yay me!
No, honey, that's not good. You're going to live long after everyone you know and love is gone. Hey, Brianna, something came in the mail for you. What's the letter for? Anything interesting?
It's a invitation to another funeral.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I'm used to it by now.
Now, what is a lovely lady like you doing sitting here all by herself?
I'm just waiting for the bus.
How about I take you out on a date? What do you think?
I don't date. I don't get attached to anyone nowadays, actually.
All right, suit yourself. Have a lovely day.
Wait. That mark on your neck. It's the same as mine. That mark on your neck. It's the same as mine.
So now you're interested in a date.
I finally have someone to keep me company for all eternity.
You'll never have to be lonely again.
Who's that?
Oh no, that's the local years thief. She steals people's years.
She can do that?
She can. She's a witch. Run!
I think we lost her.
We should be safe here.
No! How could you? He's all I had. Wait, don't go. Take my years. I don't want to live anymore. Mom, what's on my face?
Oh no, you got an X. You need to cover it and put a check mark right away or else they're going to get you.
Who?
Oh, thank goodness you're safe. You got a check mark. I've located an X. Please don't do this. Everyone report immediately for your symbol check.
So, what happens if you have an X?
Those with X's are eliminated to stop overpopulation. You're only safe if you have a check mark. Next, please. I'm next. Don't worry. You have a check mark. You'll be fine. You're good. Next. I said next. Are you crazy? What are you doing here? Why would you go online knowing you have an X?
I thought maybe I wouldn't get caught.
Of course you would get caught.
Who are you? You have an ex too? So, where are you taking me?
This is the ex's hiding spot. I made it my personal duty to protect all exes.
Wow, you're pretty heroic.
Excuse me, miss. May I sit here?
Yes, of course you can. Why would she have an ex? She's just a baby.
The exes were given at random. No reason and no sympathy. Oh no, they found us. We have to leave immediately.
Hey, ugly.
Excuse me? Why would you say that?
I'm sorry. It was for a task. I'm in the 90s now.
I thought so. Good luck. I hear the last 10 tasks are impossible. Hey girl!
Hey!
Did you hear what Tom did?
What? No.
His 95th task was to stab someone, and they ended up in the hospital severely injured. The whole school's in the 90s now. It's about to get very dangerous here. It's really dangerous here. Let's go somewhere private and talk.
Yeah, sure.
No one's around. I think we'll be safe here.
Yeah. So, what did you need to talk about?
I'm so sorry I have to do this.
What are you doing?
I have to do this. I have to kill you. I only have 2 tasks left. That money is mine.
No! I'm so sorry. I'll call you an ambulance.
I'm not going anywhere until I finish my task.
Well, I've made it this far. I might as well be the one to finish all these tasks.
Marco!
Polo!
Marco!
Polo! Polo?
Marco!
Safe.
Emily!
I'm so glad I found you, sissy. I was so scared. It was so dark.
Marco!
Polo!
You actually fell for it.
Bestie, don't scare me like that.
Chill, I was just joking.
It's serious. My little sister Emily was chosen to play the game this morning. She almost didn't find me in time. What's wrong with Cynthia?
Her boyfriend died during the game of Marco Polo. He wasn't able to find her in time.
That's awful. Everything's dark. Oh no. Marco? Everything's dark. Oh no. Marco?
Polo!
Marco! Marco!
Polo!
Marco!
Polo! Thank goodness you found me.
I'm so glad you weren't far.
Choose who will play.
They're making me choose? Well, I can't choose my mother.
Marco?
Polo!
Marco!
Polo! 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 Bestie, why can't I hear you? Polo!
Marco!
Polo!
Failure. Choose.
You're making me choose again? Oh,
You're up early.
unfortunately.
Honey, I need a favor.
What the?
You drive your sister to school to... Jay, hey, when did you change your clothes? Get back here.
This is a robbery.
What? First thing in the morning?
Give me your car keys now.
Oh.
Oh!
Brianna, you're late. You'll only have 10 minutes left to write the test.
Don't worry. Just hand me the test. I got this.
Come on, we've been paused long enough. Can you press play now? Come on, we've been paused long enough. Can you press play now?
How are you not paused like everybody else is?
I don't know why, but I have the same ability as you. I can pause time. We must be the chosen ones.
I'm sorry, but this is real life, not Star Wars. Wait a minute. So if you press pause, it stops time not only for you, but for me too? This restaurant you brought me is amazing.
You know I know how to treat a lady. Let's kiss.
Why aren't you breathing? James! Okay, I can't wait any longer. I'm leaving.
Hey, can I ask you something?
Sure, what?
Well, I just think you're super fine and... Brianna, hurry up and unpause it before I lose my Riz! I'm not paused.
What?
Simon says everyone touch their nose.
Hurry, everyone touch their nose.
Everyone touch their head. Hurry up, everyone touch their head.
No, they didn't say Simon says.
Simon says rip your test paper in half. Brianna, why did you rip your test? You won't be given another one.
That's okay. I got a Simon says.
Simon says everyone stand still. Everyone start walking. Don't move, they didn't say Simon says. Simon says start moving. These Simon says are getting worse and worse. I got a Simon says to break up with my boyfriend.
That's awful.
Simon says kill your best friend.
Your name is Simon? Are you the one running Simon Says?
I'm one of many. There's one of us in every school, every workplace, but you can't tell anyone about this.
Why are you telling me all this?
Because I think you're cute, and I'd like to be in a relationship with you.
Okay. Let's be in a relationship then.
Great.
I'm home. I had a really rough day. What are you doing? Put the gun away from your head.
Simon says, let her do it. I got a Simon says to kill you, but I can't do it. I have to off myself instead.
Mom! Simon, did you tell my mom to kill me?
Simon says, don't reveal his identity. I only did it because I knew she wouldn't hurt you and would end up offing herself instead. What are you doing?
Simon says, go to hell.
Simon says, kill your best friend.
What are you doing?
God, Simon says, I have no choice. I have to kill you.
I got the same one. Look, we can find a way out of this.
How can we get out of this?
There is no way out.
Simon says, don't blink. Oh no, I'm gonna blink. Simon says, once someone blinks, everyone will be able to blink again. Hey! No, please don't. She snapped fingers in my face. She cheated.
I can't do this anymore.
What's wrong?
I don't even know who I am anymore. First I kill my best friend, then I make someone lose and Simon Says and...
You're not a bad person. You can't blame yourself for what the game makes you do.
You're nice. What's your name?
It's Simon. Simon says, you are now Simon.
I'm one of the controllers of the game now.
Alright everyone, it's time to write the exam.
Oh no, I forgot we had an exam today. Simon Says cancel the exam.
Uh-oh. Everyone, the exam's canceled today. Thank goodness the exam was canceled. I didn't study.
1 second. Kevin's coming.
Hey, Brie.
Hi, Kevin. Simon Says compliment her dress.
Simon says, that's a really nice dress.
Thanks. I got it from Hilara.
It's beautiful.
Simon Says ask her out on a date.
Another Simon says, will you go on a date with me?
Of course. I'd love to.
Hello.
Who are you?
I'm the creator of Simon Says. It's time.
Time?
It's time for you to kill someone. I know who you are. You're one of the controllers of Simon Says. Why are you laughing?
You really are clueless, aren't you? I saw it sticking out of your pocket when you came to pick me up for our date. I assumed you weren't just happy to see me.
When did you take the bullets out?
When I gave you that big, long hug when you greeted me.
How didn't I notice?
Simon Says, leave this town and never show your face here again.
I gotta get out of here. Hi, young lady. Where are you walking all alone at night?
Simon Says, sew your mouth shut.
No, I got a Simon Says. I can't.
Grandma, I'm home.
I'm so proud of how tough you've become.
I kind of like being Simon nowadays. But from now on, I want to be in charge.
You'd really kill your own father?